Good morning, dear students. This is the third part of the chapter 5, that is life in temperature zones. So, today we are going to study about hot deserts. Hot deserts are also known as subtropical deserts because they lie near the tropics, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. हॉट डेजर्ट्स को हम सब ट्रॉपिकल डेजर्ट के नाम से भी जानते हैं क्योंकि ये डेजर्ट्स ट्रॉपिक्स के पास लोकेटेड हैं, जैसे कि ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न के नियर. देन क्लाइमेट, द क्लाइमेट ऑफ दीज डेजर्ट इज एक्सट्रीम. सो द वर्ड एक्सट्रीम climate here means a climate in which there is very hot summers and a climate in which there is very cold winters. So यहाँ पर अगर गर्मी होती है तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है और अगर ठंड होती है तो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. एंड द डे टेम्परेचर रीचेस एज हाई एज 54 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो दिन का जो टेम्परेचर है, तापमान है, वो 54 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक भी पहुँच जाता है. एंड रेनफॉल इज़ वेरी लिटिल. सो बारिश जो होती है वो बहुत कम होती है. एंड it leads to the extreme climatic condition. Major hot deserts in the world are Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is the world's largest desert and it is located in Africa. And Kalahari Desert is located in Africa. Sahara Desert is in the North Africa and Kalahari Desert is in towards the southern side of the Africa. The Thar Desert is in India and Pakistan. Great Australian Desert lies in Australia. So we'll see all these deserts in the map as well. Vegetation. The word vegetation means the entire plant life of a particular place. So very few plants, trees and shrubs grow in deserts due to lack of water. हमने पहले भी क्लाइमेट में पढ़ा था कि डेजर्ट्स में या हॉट डेजर्ट्स में बहुत कम बारिश होती है, उसकी वजह से बिकॉज ऑफ स्कैरिसिटी ऑफ वाटर, या ये कह सकते हैं क्योंकि पानी की कमी होती है तो यहाँ पर बहुत कम पौधे या वृक्ष उग पाते हैं. So these are the three plants which are found in desert. The first one is date palm and the second one is acacia and the third one is cactus. Cactus is even taken by the native people of deserts, or you can see the people those who are living in the desert, they use cactus as a food as well. They prepare sometimes vegetable, and if there is a traveler moving from one place to another, so they even use cactus for water purpose. Water is stored in the cactus, some amount of water, not huge amount of water, but some amount of water can be taken from the cactus, but at the same time the person should have the proper knowledge. So wildlife means the entire species of animals or different types of animals which are living in wild in a particular areas. यानी कि जो जंगली जानवर एक किसी भी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस के होते हैं, सारे जंगली जानवर, उनको हम वाइल्ड लाइफ रेफर करते हैं उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस की, नॉट द डोमेस्टिकेशन वंस. उन जानवरों को इंक्लूड नहीं किया जाता जो पालतू होते हैं, जिनको पाला जाता है अलग से. They are not the part of wildlife. So the animals which are found in the deserts are foxes, hyenas, hedgehogs, moles, snakes. Hedgehog is an animal which looks like as if it is having spines on its upper body. Moles, snakes, beetles and scorpions are found in desert. There is a large flightless bird which is known with the name ostrich, and it is found in Sahara and Kalahari desert. Camel is very famous animal of desert. It is also known as ship of the desert because it carries goods as well as the people from one place to another, and it drinks a lot of water at a time. कैमल यानी कि ऊँट बहुत सारा पानी एक वक्त में एक साथ पी सकता है और फिर रह सकता है, सर्वाइव कर सकता है, लिव कर सकता है विदाउट वाटर, बिना पानी के, फॉर अ एंटायर वीक. एक पूरे सप्ताह के लिए वो बिना पानी के फिर रह सकता है. People of the deserts are, or we can say nomadic people of the hot desert. See, the term nomadic people here means that a community of people or a group of people, those who do not live at a particular place for a longer period of time, जो ऐसे लोग जो किसी भी जगह बहुत समय के लिए नहीं रुकते, they keep on moving from one place to another, and with their entire family they will establish their living facilities again on any other place they will visit. So Arabian Peninsula and North Africa, nomadic people are Bedouins, and in Sahara Desert there are Tuaregs. So in this map you can see several types of deserts which are found in different continents. So in North America there is Sonoran Desert, and in Africa 2 deserts are found. The world's largest desert is also found in Africa, that is Sahara Desert, then Kalahari Desert in the southern side. And in Arabian Peninsula, Arabian Desert is located. Thar Desert is located in India and Pakistan. Australian, yeah, Great Australian Desert is located in Australia. So try to learn this map. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Kindly watch